Add some Asian inspiration to burger night with these tasty and easy sticky pork burgers with Hoisin Ketchup. Start by thinly slicing the white part of the spring onions. Place in a large bowl with the fried shallots, mince, a little hoisin sauce and half the ketchup. Season. Use clean hands to mix until well combined. Then divide the mixture into 4 even portions and shape each portion into a 10 cm patty. Transfer to a plate, cover and place in the fridge to rest. Next, toast the burger buns, cut side down on a greased, preheated grill until golden. Remove from the grill. Add the burger patties and cook for 5 minutes each side, or until golden and cooked through. While the burgers are cooking, combine the slaw and chilli, if using, in a large bowl. Thinly slice the remaining spring onion and add to the slaw along with the lemon juice and oil. Toss gently to combine. Combine the remaining hoisin sauce and ketchup and spread over the cut side of the roll bases. Top with the slaw mixture, burger patties, and roll tops. Burgers get a boost when you add a slaw mix and some classic Asian ingredients to bring all the tasty vibes.